This whimsical looking cookbook is called Baking Illustrated, which is a compilation of many articles from the Cooking Illustrated team. Now this book is really amazing because it kind of is like a manual and a handbook that is great to reference. They go through tons of recipes and they really kind of stress the science behind the baking. And they really go into depth, kind of almost like a scientific process of how they arrived at each recipe. They tell you what worked for them, what came out differently, and why, such as adding different ingredients, different amounts. They kind of go for each recipe, several different versions of it, and the ones that they find out that they feel to be the best version. Now, there's so many different kinds, from brownies and cookies and muffins, almost all baked items, pies. They have so many different things. So if you are really curious about finding out some of the background behind baking in general, as well as in detail, they cover it really well here. Yeah, the recipes come out really nice. Received many compliments on so many of them, and it's just been really fun to try them each out. I also love how there are drawings along the way interspersed with the pictures. I feel like it gives the whole book a really nice look to it all. It's a really good handbook to have around because it stresses the science behind it all, and if you want to learn the backbone behind baking many different things, then this is great to have because they go really in depth on all kinds of delicious things.